ElevenLabs allows users to generate synthetic voices either by cloning an existing voice or by designing a custom voice from scratch. This tutorial focuses on creating a voice through voice design rather than cloning. The process involves selecting voice parameters, adjusting settings, and generating sample audio. ElevenLabs allows users to generate synthetic voices either by cloning an existing voice or by designing a custom voice from scratch. This tutorial focuses on creating a voice through voice design rather than cloning. The process involves selecting voice parameters, adjusting settings, and generating sample audio. What voice design does? Voice design creates a new synthetic voice without requiring an existing audio sample. Users can adjust parameters such as gender, age, accent, and speaking style to generate a unique voice for text, to-speech, applications, narrations, or other audio projects. Steps to create a voice. First, go to the ElevenLabs website on your browser and ensure you are logged in. From the top menu, click on Voice Lab. Then select Create New Voice or Design Voice depending on your account interface. You will be presented with several adjustable parameters. Start by selecting a base voice or preset. Some interfaces offer sliders or drop-down menus for characteristics such as gender, age range, and accent. Adjust these settings to match your desired voice profile. Next, configure stability and similarity settings. Stability controls how consistent the voice remains across different text inputs. Higher stability produces more predictable but less expressive speech. Similarity determines how closely the voice matches the selected preset or characteristics. Adjust these based on whether you need a reliable, neutral voice or a more varied, expressive one. Then, set the speaking style. Options may include neutral, excited, sad, serious, or other emotional tones. This influences the default delivery of any text processed through the voice. After configuring the settings, type a test sentence into the text box. Use a sentence that contains a variety of sounds and syllables to properly evaluate the voice. Click Generate or Play to hear a sample of your custom voice. Saving and using the voice. If you are satisfied with the result, give the voice a name and click Save. The voice will appear in your voice library for future use in text-to-speech projects, narrations, or other supported applications. If adjustments are needed, modify the parameters and generate new samples until the desired result is achieved. Conclusion: creating a voice in ElevenLabs through voice design involves selecting gender, age, accent, and style parameters, adjusting stability and similarity settings, and generating test samples. Once saved, the custom voice can be used across the platform's text-to-speech features.